cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy,
M.O.B.
cause that be
The
natural. I ain't
infamous.
looking tacky, cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, stuck in these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon and I'm still on top. Hey guys, and welcome back to Afros and Baby Hairs, and today we'll be doing another sponge roller set. This will be number 3, and we're going to start off with already washed and conditioned hair. So I'm going to be using this Lotta body setting lotion to actually set this style, and I do have some sponge rollers that I'm going to be using. I also have some warm water to dampen the hair in case it starts to dry out before I get to certain sections. So that's what we'll be doing today. So now I'm just distributing the Lotta body setting lotion throughout the section that I want to roll. And I'm just brushing it through with this Denman brush. These are the rollers. I don't remember the name of this brand, but they are just medium-sized pink sponge rollers. So I'm just adding product to the section that I want to roll. And then I'm just going to start rolling from the ends to the root. Also twisting the root just to make sure that it doesn't poof up. And just roll it on up. So I'm going to be doing that throughout the entirety of my head, the same exact steps. So that's what you'll see in the upcoming clips. So as you can see, we are already having problems with the clamps. So please be aware that the clamps do tend to come off, and it makes it a little bit difficult when you're trying to roll the hair. But I just wanted you guys to notice that these clamps do come off. So yeah, these rollers are really cheap, so it's to be expected, I guess. But I do want to say that I did sleep in these rollers, and once they were in, I didn't have any problem with them coming loose while I was sleeping. So I did want to say that as well. So it's just like the clamps are coming off as you roll, but they don't come off as you sleep. So anyway, moving right along, I'm still taking the same steps, doing the same layering process of the Lotta body and brushing it through, and then just basically rolling the hair up after twisting the root.
So here we are with the entire head completely rolled. And I'm going to go ahead and sit under my bonnet dryer for about an hour just to make sure that I don't go to bed with a soaking wet head or anything like that. I'm trying to cut down on some of the drying time. So yeah, this is the actual next morning, and I'm starting to take these down. So, and you know, at the beginning it looked as if these really look good, but when you start the separating process, it gets a bit frizzy. So what I do want to say is I will be revisiting this particular set. However, my and yeah, that is some hair I ended up leaving out, so I'm gonna have to re-roll it. But anyway, my hair really likes oil. My hair really likes shea butter, and I think that even with these roller sets, I'm going to have to incorporate that into this style, because this setting lotion and mousses and all of that, I tried it and my hair still comes out to be a bit frizzy. And yeah, so I think that I'm going to have to apply at least a little bit to my hair. And I know that shea butter and greases and oils and stuff like that kind of weigh the hair down a lot more, but I'm just gonna have to deal with it if I want to get a good roller set. And it may take my hair longer to dry with heavier products on my hair, but that's the only way that I think that this roller set will come out right. Like I said before, this is my third one, and it's still a bit frizzy and crazy looking. So I did want to add that in. So you will see in just a moment as I begin to separate, and you will see what I'm talking about. So there were a couple of sections that didn't curl at all, and then there one section that I left out. I had to re-roll those sections and sit back under the bonnet dryer to get some type of curl pattern in those sections. I sat under there maybe about 20 minutes. So now I'm separating, and as you can see, it is very frizzy. I do have some biofilm on my hands, and I rubbed it throughout the hair. But it's not helping much. Like I said, this is not a heavy enough oil for my hair. But we're just going to roll with it because I already know this is not going to come out right. My hair likes to be weighed down. So this Lotta Body is a good product though, but it's not heavy enough for my hair. So as you can see, as I'm continuing to separate these curls, it just looks hideous. So this is an epic fail once again. So I'm going to do something else to my hair later on, but as of right now, we're just going to rock this for today. I am going to pick it out in just a few moments just to see if that will give it some type of shape. So I'm going to pick out those roots to see, you know, what we can do with this, but it's looking a hot mess. So yeah. yeah, guys, I probably could have spruced this up and rocked it, you know, better than what I'm doing, but I just decided to put a headband on, try to pick it out some more and turn it into a poof. But you know, this probably could have been okay if I had just put on a headband, maybe did some twist in the front, you know, did something to my edges, but I'm just over it at this point. So yeah, guys, this is about it. Like I said, this is an epic fail once again, so we're gonna try it differently. But anyway, I do want to thank you all for stopping by today. I really appreciate your time and energy. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Peace and love, and as always, be blissful.
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy. Cause that be
the
natural. I ain't
infamous.
looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, stuck in these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is cheering on that cartoon, and I'm sitting on top with these buffoons. I'm so nappy, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous witches wanna come back me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so comfortable in my ends, don't care if I make or lose a few friends, and I look like $1 trillion. Lady, he won a lotto, cause in the Lord I trust, and beauty is the motto. Naturally thick in the bud, I'm Billy Blank.